Hello everyone! So we are from Madyapadma Journalistic Park,
SMA Negeri 3 Denpasar.
So before we start our presentation, we want to introduce ourselves first. So my name is Desa Aditi Linggamala.
And my name is Risa Paramita. So that's all of our introduction. Let's next to our presentation. Mapping Beji Temple in Bali as traditional water resources conservation study in the Sarbajita agglomeration area. There is 4 points in our background. The first one, temples with holy water used as a means of purification are called Pura Beji. The function or benefits of Pura Beji itself is a place for bathing and a place for traditional ceremonies to Hindu religion. The second one, map is the depiction of the appearance of the earth's surface using a scale, and mapping is the process of collecting data as the first step in making a map. The third one, agglomeration is a tendency for distribution to be clustered in a narrow area. And meanwhile, the Sarbajita agglomeration area is a metropolitan area in Bali province, which consists of Denpasar City, Badung Regency, Gianyar Regency, and Tabanan Regency. The purposes of this research are to create a spatial map of the distribution of the Beji temple in Bali, specifically in the Sarbajita agglomeration area, as a traditional water resource conservation site. And the second one, to determine the influence of the existence of Beji temple on the extent of preservation of the surrounding vegetation. Research methodology. This research was conducted at 15 Beji temples in the Sarbajita area and the Pratnya Paramita Students Research Center building at SMA Negeri 3 Denpasar. This research is exploratory research with quantitative and qualitative descriptive data analysis technique. The research method used are observation and interview method, as well as satellite image analysis method using Google Earth software. And this is for our research indicators.
Next is a result and discussion. In the Sarbajita area, this is for the distribution map in the Denpasar area, Badung, Gianyar, and Tabanan. And for the map in the middle, this is a combined map of the distribution map of Beji temple in the Sarbajita area, Denpasar, Badung, Gianyar, and Tabanan. And on the combined distribution map, there are green dots which show the 3 largest lakes in Bali. After combining it, it was found that the distribution of Beji temple was concentrated in the middle. Table number 1 is explained that the total vegetation in the Sarbajita area ranged from 37 until 1553 to 68.21, and the tables 2 is show that the benefits of Pura Beji for the society are as a traditional ceremony, pengobatan, public or tourist bathing, medicine, bathing for local residents, drinking water, and irrigation of the rice fields or subak. And the following data is obtained. And the table 3 is explained that the environmental balance around the Beji temple area is found to be 87.5% loose and 91.75% of the volume of spring water at Beji temple decreases during the dry season. Schema number 1 is explained that the water seepage from the 3 lakes, Lake Buyan, Lake Tambelingan, and Lake Beratan, flows underground water at the fracture of the lake plate and emerges to the surface as spring. The distribution of Beji temple can be concentrated in the center because the water flows from upstream to downstream and becomes a spring in the Sarbajita area. Because the water is very sacred to Hindu, the Beji temple was built. And the scheme 2 is explained that the water is very scared by Hindu, and when the Beji temple was built, the society made effort to preserve this spring at the Beji temple, care for the area around the Beji temple, and utilize the spring for religious and personal purpose. For the conclusion, first, the special map of the existence of Beji temples in Sarbajita agglomeration area consists of 151 Beji temples and can be seen in picture 1 to 5. Number 2, the existence of Beji temple affects the sustainability of the surrounding vegetation because Beji temple is a water source.
Future works for our research, further research is needed to create a special map of the existence of the Beji temple throughout the island of Bali. The second one, various parties can utilize this special map of the Beji temple to determine policies related to preserving the environment and natural resources in the Sarbajita agglomeration area and in Bali. So that's all of our presentation,
And thank you for watching.
Bye!